Mrs.Holness was reappointed as the Speaker of the House. My question is, what are your thoughts on this? But before I continue, shout you like, follow, share, and comment. There's a link in my bio to my other social media platforms that I also post video on. Ensure that you follow me there, please and thanks. But here are my thoughts. Legally, it is fine. I even did a live on this last night. Legally, it is fine. There's no problem. There's no legal issue with this. Does it rub me the wrong way? Yes, it does. The optics for me is just not right. Look, if I was to look outside and look and saw that the Prime Minister's wife is also the Speaker of the House and a Member of Parliament, or a Member of Parliament and the Speaker of House, because one has to come before the other, right? It wouldn't look good. It wouldn't look good. For me, it's in the same category as Mark Golding having his dual citizenship and having to give it up. Legally, it is fine, but it rubbed me the wrong way knowing that a man who is vying to lead my country holds dual citizenship. Complaints were made by the people and the opposition. He gave it up. Complaints are being made by the opposition and the people. In Mrs. Holness's case, did they proceed, right? But again, my thing is, I know it's legal, I know it's fine. I haven't seen anything to say that she was being biased. Others say they have, I haven't, right? So I'm asking you, I'm putting the question to you. What do you think about this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Be respectful, right? Be very respectful. What we don't want in our country is to wake up one day and realize, say, our country is being run by a family. We're trying to move away from the monarch, not towards it, right? So again, share your thoughts in the comment section. Please, may I beg you be respectful, okay?